Hi, my name is Adrianne-Joy and I'm going to discuss the supply chain and logistics of Mattel, a multinational toy manufacturing company. Mattel has an extensive portfolio of toy subsidiary brands such as Fisher-Price, Barbie and Hot Wheels. The toy product ranges from educational toys, dolls and board games. Mattel's supply chain is a horizontal orientation, like in the diagram above. Raw materials such as plastic, metal, and rubber are supplied to the supplier by the supplier. The supplier, like companies such as Early Light Industrial Co., they can start the manufacturing process for the focal firm, Mattel. Mattel will then finish manufacturing these products and package them ready for distribution. Mattel shall distribute these products directly to large customers such as Toys R Us and Target, or use a third-party distributor such as Australia Post or DHL. The third-party distributor will send the products directly to the customer and their clientele, for example, Target and Target customers. Mattel also has an online e-commerce store which also delivers directly to end users from their warehouses. Each Mattel manufacturing plant has various numbers of employees, ranging from 350 to 9,000. Mattel outsources half of its production to China, which includes 40 major vendors. Some of these manufacturing plants are specifically dedicated to making Barbie dolls alone. Having one plant solely dedicated to producing one product is beneficial to managing quality control, as the employees who work on the manufacturing line will have minimal changes due to routine-based labor, therefore minimizing mistakes in production. Although Mattel has faced many quality control issues in the past, resulting in worldwide recalls for such issues as dangerous magnetics and lead in toys and paint. These issues have mostly arisen due to lack of quality control in the one point of the supply chain, the supplier. The lead paint issue started when trusted Chinese contractors had used lead paint from suppliers which Mattel had not certified, resulting in a recall of 1.5 million toys worldwide, a loss in profits, and the reputation of the company was affected as there was a loss of trust. Mattel has a point-of-sale system in place which tracks when items have been purchased, stock levels in stores and distribution warehouses, then advise when specific items need to be ordered. Radio frequency identification and electronic data interchange, also known as RFID and EDI, are some other advanced technologies that Mattel have implemented to optimize its supply chain. This is all great when said, but as most of Mattel's products are produced overseas, the long distances can make delivery times sometimes upward of 3 weeks. Mattel has distribution centers all over the world to minimize stockouts for the consumer, as these warehouses hold stock inventory. Although this practice is not risk-free, as Mattel writes off approximately $50 million per year of inventory obsolescence. Mattel has multiple transport management solutions, from procurement, tracking shipments, network design, and optimization. In 2019, Mattel and DHL opened a new dedicated logistics distribution center in Victoria when consolidating operations from 2 existing sites. The new DC has automated labeling and sortation system which aims to increase efficiency in Mattel's supply chain. Additional services that the warehouse will provide are the repackaging of products from promotions to in-store displays. The CEO of DHL Supply Chain Australia and New Zealand, Saul Resnick, has said that the warehouse brings operational excellence and cost optimization while simultaneously ensuring that our supply chain practices remain sustainable and environmentally friendly. For instance, the facility is fitted with LED lights and a 100-kilowatt solar panel system. Several challenges that Mattel face are such things as consumers being more aware of environmental impacts, therefore having to be mindful to produce the toys in a sustainable and environmentally friendly way, as well as using environmentally safe materials. Mattel also has to be aware of the environmental impact during distribution, as transportation is one of the largest end-user contributors towards global warming around the world. As I have already said before, Mattel has started to implement some practices to adhere to this. I hope you have a better understanding of how Mattel's supply chain works and how they use logistics to grow and maximize potential. Next time you're in store buying a toy or board game, think about how much it has taken to get that on shelf ready for you to purchase.